Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Let me apologize for the noise that you're gonna hear, because you're gonna hear some noise. And also let me apologize for my hair in the last video. Wow, really didn't feel or see that. For today's video, I am gonna do something new. I saw Amber Stroll do it, and now I'm gonna do it. And it all started off, well, it didn't start off with the lamp, but when I got the lamp, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna do that because I got a lot of stuff that I just randomly buy. So if you don't know by now from the title or my rambling, I am going to do a random haul. Stuff that I just got on the internet or at the store. Just because it's a lot. Yeah. Sorry, not sorry. So the first things we're going to start off with is the stuff that I don't have yet or that's in the package. And I'm not going to get out. But I wrote it down. Yeah, it's a shame. What I'm going to say, the first thing I got is a rolling rack. Well, I'm gonna list it off and then I'm gonna say why. Okay, so I got a rolling rack. I got a backdrop and a backdrop rack, a backdrop stand, excuse me. I also got studio lights. And with that, for my 2021 mood board, I said that I wanted to do a designated like backdrop, and so that's why I got that stuff. It's right now hasn't been, I didn't put up anything yet. Whew, I know that's gonna give me a headache, but as soon as I get everything ready and I get, you know, like physically and mentally there, I'll start putting it up, and it most likely will be in my living room. Yeah, all that stuff that I got was from Amazon. So thank you, Amazon, for always having the stuff that we need and that we don't need. I see you. So what is here behind me, I got Ivy Park tights. I don't know how I got in the bottom of the pile because it just came today. These Ivy Park tights are like the original collection with, they're the original collection with Topshop. Yeah, that. And I got it black. And they're the cropped ones. I don't think they go all the way. They don't. But I got these from off of Poshmark for cheap. $17. And then I think the website is called Mercier. I got the Bantu thing with all the little straps, and that was cheap too. Great material, and it looks brand new. I'm thinking about doing a video of like all of my Ivy Park items because it's a lot. Okay, so these are the tights, the Ivy Park tights. They stop right there. It kind of fits weird, but it may just be me not being used to the low rides. I'm so used to the high-waisted. And it is stretchy enough to where it doesn't really bother me, but I wish it felt better. But because it was cheap, I'm gonna keep it. And it's not like I can return it. I'm not that person. Like, I'm not gonna return something on Poshmark. Zara, another thing, but Poshmark, so no. I'm just gonna start off with this because y'all see it. Y'all know. I'm not even gonna say how much because that's none of your business. But just know it was on StockX. So do what you want with that. Do what you will. Just don't judge me. Don't judge me. But I do have the whole fit now. I'll be Chloeing it up. But look at me. No. But hey, look at me. Look at me. Oh my God. Y'all don't understand how boss B I feel in this. Whoo. Yes. So the item is the ski tag puffer jacket. Ivy Park Adidas. I might do a video. I want to do a video. But my editing skills gotta be A1. I'll let y'all know about that. I'll let y'all know. I love this jacket so freaking much. I love the background mess. It's so me. Okay, but this is the jacket on, and you see that it is a large. Okay, it is a large, but it fits. Yeah, I don't know why I can't get out my shoes, but it fits me so good. In the hat, oh, it has these buttons on the side. And y'all, if I want to, this is a zipper. I can make it a half jacket. So just in case I wanted to, you know, pop up on the hooves. Or I'm cold, burr. I can do either or. I just love this. Oh, and like right here, it has like deep pockets. Also on the other side, I can't get that. But yeah, I love this jacket. I freaking love it. And it also got, I don't know if you can see, like here inside zipper. And if I wanted to scrunch it up, I have a, if you can see, I'm like really horrible at this. It has like a scrunchy part where I could scrunch up the, what is it, the ending of it. Jesus help me. But y'all, cute. You know what, I'm just going ahead and go to the second jacket, because again, this was the original collection, was drop top. I hope that's the right one. I think it is, but it is like a red velvet. Do you see this velvet? I remember like not seeing it anywhere but on a picture that was on Instagram when she was like in the middle of the steps, and she had that in the Ivy Park and the, I think it was leather mini skirt on, and I was like, I need this velvet. This it looks like luxury. It looks like luxury. I had to have this, and I got it from off of Poshmark. And it's a medium, but it really fits like an extra large, to be honest. But I'm okay with that. I love it. I love it. I am so freaking in love with this jacket. Like, you do not know. You don't know how, when I look at this, my heart, I'm so serious. This is the jacket, y'all. Look how red this is in the velvet. Oh my god, do y'all see that? And it kind of sparkles a little bit. How can you not be in love with this jacket? Like, oh, it's not as poofy as the ski tag, but look. Oh, and then you have that thing going for you, and it's like buttons. You have the pockets. I noticed that on all the pockets are really low, but I'm not mad at that. And the zipper, I feel like it would have set it off if it was gold zippers, but the silver ones doesn't bother me. I just, the fabric of this, like how can you not love this? Taking a break. Oh, I'm sitting on it. That's why. Okay. Taking a break from Ivy Park, because yes, there's more items. Shh. Don't. Yes, I know. I'm obsessed. And that's okay, because who cares? I got a Burberry coat. Y'all, I'm stepping up my wardrobe. Like, I'm not only buying Ivy Park, it's other stuff I'm buying too. But I got this in the extra large because I wanted to fit like a dress. You know how like they tie it around and it's all poofy. That's why. And I got this also off of Poshmark, I think for $200, which is a steal, because this is the vintage one, the vintage Burberry coat, and certain stuff like this is going for like $1,000. So I say I did pretty good. I love it. I wish the belt was like longer, because I just like longer belts for the aesthetic and all that too. And like when I tie it around, it's like short. But I'm not too mad at it. Okay, I know you're not supposed to do the belt like that, but that's how I was talking about, like how short it was. I wish it was longer so I could just like, you know, flow down with the kind of like dress type thing that I'm trying to do with it. Because I honestly think this is cute, and I think that's how she styled it too, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so the next thing we have, did you see the box? Did you see it? We have Doc Martens. And I got these, I think it was all from ASOS. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not. I love these. I really fell in love with it when Nori, I hope that's how you say your name, love. I freaking love you. Like, she is my inspiration right now. Like, hand clap. So she really made me fall in love with these. Like, this is one of her staples, and I was like, yep, I gotta have it. And I love how this is like green, and then like you have the yellow threading, and this, it just gives it a little extra something. And it's all like sleek and cute. I haven't worn these yet. I had these in my closet for about like a couple of weeks now, but that's because I haven't been going anywhere really. But I'm gonna bring these bad boys out. I really am. I don't know what's up with me with the coats and boots. And the other boots that I got are the MK boots. I went to the mall and they didn't have it in my size. They did have the brown one in my size, but I don't know. I fell in love with that colorway than the brown, even though I saw the brown online. I was like, those are cute. But that colorway, oh my gosh. And they had a similar pair that they had in my size, but it didn't have the MK, and I wanted the MK. I'm a logo hoe, so I needed the MK. And those are how it looks. And they had their 25% off deal, but it only took like a little bit off. It wasn't like a sale, but it's what I wanted. It's what I got. Okay, to go ahead and get these out the way, I finally got the tights because I had the shirt. I finally got the tights. I got these off of eBay. They had to be shipped because at the time nobody was selling a large, and I was afraid to get the medium because the ski tag ones fit perfectly. The only ones that like goes down a little bit is the blue ones with the the ivy. But I feel like it's because of the side panels. It's more stretchier than the others. So if you were looking to get those particular pair, go down a size. It won't be, moving down every time you try to work out or just walk or eat, because I don't work out. Yeah, I need to start. But yeah, I got these. Ooh. Okay, and these are the Ivy Park new tights, and they fit great, long enough, made the booty look good even though I ain't got no booty. But yeah, next up, I'm really getting into Zara, but that is a bittersweet thing because everything I want, they either sell out or like they keep selling out, then restock, but then they sell out so quick, and it's like a constant battle. I'm like, Jesus. But yeah, so I got this cutout dress because of Nori. And it's broken in the back. Yep. And I don't like the way that the cutout is like. I feel like it just fits me weird, and it's super short. But it's so pretty. Okay, this is the Zara cutout dress. Not for me. It's cute. It's elegant. But short. Can't fit. Can zip up, and the cutouts are weird for me. I tried to do something different, but it was not working for me, not at all. Okay, so this is kind of like in the same material, but it is a skirt, and it's supposed to be like a two-piece, but the shirt keeps selling out. Yes, and then they restock it and sell out, restock and sell out. I've been struggling with this for about like 2 weeks now, but this fits perfectly. This linen, oh my gosh, is it actual linen though? I have no idea, but it's giving me that vibe. And I got this in an extra large, and I think that one was in a extra large because she said size up with the shortness of it, but it still didn't. But yeah, it's so cute on, and I'm so comfortable, and I'm definitely going to get my use out of it this 2021 spring. All right, so this is the Zara skirt with the split. Love it. Elegant. Ooh, and it fits, and it zips all the way up. I honestly am not too, concerned about my stomach. Doesn't matter. I feel cute. It is cute. I love it. So I turned my light off for this. I'm about to turn the studio light off so y'all can see the thingy-majigger. So here is the lamp. So this is the lamp. It goes up and down and around, and it's just like a flat, thing. But the light is a dome. Not distracting this so perfectly, and it won't keep moving. It's on top of this. That's why. But this is it. And like this is what turns it on. It's plugged up. It comes with everything except the auto box. But this is the light that it gives. So it's supposed to give like that golden hour type light. And I am here for it. I cannot wait to start taking Instagram pictures. So that is all for my video today. I hope y'all enjoyed everything that y'all saw, kind of laughed with me and not at me for my purchases. If you like videos like this, please comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Bye, my loves. Mwah.